Okay, one of the common questions that I get asked is, Shankar, what's the difference between SL and SLM with respect to Zerodha and with respect to other portfolios also? Okay, let's say I have opened the screen on my this thing, and I wanted to buy particular stock, which is in this case, this is the stock that I want to buy. And can you see two types of this thing? One is called as intraday, the other one is called as long term. Okay, long term. What's the current price right now? Current price is 1583 currently. Okay, currently it is at 1583. So now if current price is 1583, if I want to buy at 1600, which order type should I be using? Let me know in the comment box. The current price is 1583, but I want to buy it at 1600. Which order type I can use? So I can use, if the current price is here, if I want to buy here, I can use either SL or SLM. If the current price is at 100, I want to buy at 200, I can use either SL or SLM buy order. If the current price is 200, I want to buy at 100, what order type should I choose? I will come back to you on that. But if the current price is 100, if you want to buy at 110, 120, which is above the current price, then you can use, okay, use something called as SL and SLM. So what is the difference between that? Yeah, one of the first difference is when you choose SLM, okay, SLM, and place a buy order. Okay, what price? So it's currently at 1593. I'll choose the trigger price as 1600. Is this clear? Yeah. When I choose SLM, I don't have to write trigger price and the price. Any price after 1600, it will trigger, sir. Any price after 1600, it will trigger and give me a confirmed buy order. That's the SLM. Now, if I choose SL, okay, then I'm telling my broker that please trigger my order at 1600, but not more than 1620. This is the band that I'm giving. So that is the SL order. I'll explain one more time. Current market price is 1500, 1593, 1583, whatever. I want to buy at 1600. I will use either SL order or SLM order. Okay. If I choose SLM order, I just have to mention what price I want to buy. If I choose SL order, I need to mention within what price I should be buying this. Okay. And pro tip is sometimes, once in 1000 times, there is also a possibility that you have placed your SL order and you have placed it at 1600 and 1620. It might jump and your order might not get placed or filled. Okay, this is one use case of fresh buying. When you are at 1583, you wanted to buy at 1600. Now I want to ask you one more question. Now I have completed my order right now. My order is now currently taken at 1600, let's assume. And I want to place a stop loss at 1500 right now. Which are the two order types I can use again? My order is already there. Now I want to place a stop loss at 1500. I bought at 1600. I showed you how. Now I want to place my stop loss at 1500. How do I do it? I'll explain this right now. So same concept again. When you have bought, if you already have an order, then again go to your same SL, SLM. Okay, this time, okay, your order is already there. You want to place. If it starts coming down, okay, you want to sell. You are exiting your buying position. You are not freshly buying. Hello. If you're understanding, type I. If you're understanding, type I. You already have a position. You have a buy position. If you have a buy position, what should you do right now? You have to exit. If you are exiting a buy position, is it a sell position or a fresh buy position? Again, it's a sell position. In that case, it has to be a sell position because you already have some stocks. You want to now exit at some stop loss. So you don't want to take more than 100 rupees stop loss, 100 rupees risk in this trade per stock, let's assume. Again, the same use case, choose SL. And when you are choosing SL, now the market is coming down. Okay, when the market is coming down, your trigger price is 1600. Where will you keep your price when you are choosing SL? When what band you will give? Okay, will you give 1620 or 1580 when you are selling? So therefore, write this down. When you are choosing SL, when you are buying, trigger price plus some points will be your price. When you are selling, trigger price minus some points will be your price. If this is clear, type yes in the comment box. Okay. So now when you are selling, your trigger price minus some points, which is in this case 1580, and I click on sell. Okay. Or I don't want any janjat, man. Who wants to calculate all of this? Who wants to know buying, selling, confusion, all of that stuff? Choose SLM. It's a confirmed order. Advantage of SLM is confirmed order. But your order can get placed at any point in time, not necessarily at where you want. Okay. You cannot control your price. Okay. Control your price. You can place the 1600. Click on sell, your order gets placed in the orders tab. Now, pro tip. When you are buying, choose SL. When you are selling, when you are placing a sell order, when you are exiting, choose SLM. And I want your genius mind to get activated and tell me why. Tell me why am I asking you to choose SL when you are entering, and when you are exiting, I am asking you to choose SLM. Let me know in the comment box. I would like to read your comments. Okay. So this is how you are going to be choosing SL and SLM order. Let me also give you one last, and which is how do you place target? How do you place target? Okay. How do you place let's say you bought at 1600. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll make another video on your targets, but I want you to ensure that you are able to enter. Okay, any questions on this? I'll be able to answer. Let me know in the comment box. I'll be able to answer all of your questions.